Hello today. I'm going to show you how to remove snare from your papers, from your printed papers. If you have snare on it, the snare is not so delicious looking, isn't it? For this, in this case, it means your printer inside, where the tubes are transporting the papers through the machine, are a little bit dirt. Okay, if this happens, that you have snare on your side, right or left, or in the center of your papers, you can use a program, an app, to make a solution of it. How we perform this? We go to the main menu, swipe upside down, go to Setup, and then we go down to the good old printer maintenance. Then we go clean snare, and it starts cleaning. What's going on now? The paper is moving forward, up, forward, back, forward, back, and so on. And a lot of transmission is there. And while this happens, the snare is left on the paper, and sometimes there is no snare on the tubes, on the transporting tubes, so the snare prop is gone. And this is the focus what we're going to do now here. If there is more snare after this process, we have to clean areas inside your printer. It's possible for a better snare-free printing solution. You can see the paper is coming out of it here. The paper is on the way. It goes back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. That's really cool system because it works most of the time. So, but this problem should be fixed after this process. But sometimes it does not help us anymore. In this case, we open the printer over here. We open it, and then we can see inside what's going on there. And if you have some alcohol, you can clean areas inside, because there are the tubes, this and this, you can see it in the background, yeah, no? And these tubes you can clean with alcohol, and over this you can perform with this with alcohol, and after this you make another smear removing process with the printer, and then the solution should be there. If you have problems in your upper side, you can perform the same. Open it up here, and you can clean this tube here and this tube. And if it's not enough, you can lift this part up and go underneath that part here and clean over this area. This helps you to make better clean solution while you are printing. After the job is done, you can go back to the main menu and job's done. So you can remove the smear of your printer paper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.